Warren Buffett's 9 Principles for Wealth Creation. Imagine turning a few $1,000s into billions. Sounds impossible? Not for Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest men and the greatest investor of all time. Buffett built his empire by following 9 timeless principles. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, is one of the most successful investors in history. With a net worth of over $100 billion, he didn't just stumble upon wealth, he built it, step by step, using timeless principles. Today, we're diving into Warren Buffett's 9 principles of wealth creation. These aren't just rules for investing, they're a blueprint for building a life of financial freedom. Let's get started. Principle 1. Buffett's first principle is simple yet profound. Invest in yourself. He believes your greatest asset isn't your money, it's you. The more you learn, the more you earn. Whether it's reading books, taking courses, or developing new skills, every bit of knowledge compounds over time. Buffett himself spends 80% of his day reading. As he says, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Principle 2. Don't invest in what you don't understand. Buffett doesn't gamble on things he doesn't understand. Instead, he invests in simple, predictable businesses. For example, he stayed away from Bitcoin but invested billions in Apple because he understood its brand power. Lesson: don't chase hype. Invest in what makes sense to you. Principle 3. Focus on long-term value. Buffett once said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." He doesn't trade stocks, he buys businesses. Coca-Cola, American Express, and Geico, he's held them for decades, reaping massive rewards. Lesson: forget get rich quick, think get rich slow. Principle 4. Build a margin of safety. Buffett's 4th principle is all about protection. Build a margin of safety. This means never overpaying for an investment. Always leave room for error by buying at a discount to its intrinsic value. It's like buying $1 for 50 cents. This buffer protects you from market downturns and ensures you're set up for success, no matter what happens. He waits until stocks are undervalued before buying, ensuring a margin of safety. Lesson: patience pays. Never overpay for an investment. Principle 5. Avoid debt and leverage. Buffett's 5th principle is a game changer: avoid debt. He warns that debt is a chain that limits your freedom. High-interest debt, like credit cards, can spiral out of control and eat away your wealth. Buffett's advice: if you can't afford it, don't buy it. Stay debt-free, and you'll have the flexibility to seize opportunities when they arise. He believes debt can turn a great investment into a disaster. Lesson: grow your wealth without borrowing beyond your limits. Principle 6. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Buffett's 6th principle is all about mindset. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. When everyone's rushing to buy, that's when you should be cautious. And when everyone's panicking and selling, that's your opportunity to buy quality assets at a discount. It's about staying calm, rational, and going against the herd when necessary. During the 2008 crash, investors ran away. Buffett bought billions in stocks and made a fortune. Lesson: opportunities come in times of fear. Dare to be different. Principle 7. Invest in quality businesses with strong leadership. Buffett doesn't just buy stocks, he buys businesses with solid profits and great leadership. Apple, Coca-Cola, and American Express. What do they have in common? They're built to last. Lesson: choose quality over quantity. Principle 8. Patience and discipline are key. The stock market is a game of patience. Buffett says, the stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Lesson: stay the course, trust the process, and let time do the magic. Principle 9. Spend less than you earn. Sounds obvious, right? But here's the catch. Buffett lives by this rule, even as a billionaire. He still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. The lesson: wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep, save diligently, and let your money work for you. Warren Buffett's 9 principles of wealth creation aren't just about money. They're about building a life of freedom, security, and opportunity. Whether you're just starting out or already on your financial journey, these principles can guide you to lasting success. So, invest in yourself, think long-term, and remember, wealth is a byproduct of patience, discipline, and smart decisions. Thanks for watching, and here's your financial freedom. Follow these 9 principles, and who knows, maybe one day, you will be the next Warren Buffett.